So have you ever wanted a tool that would allow you to easily remove unwanted objects from your image? Now, actually, I have a tool just for that. Now, in this image, I would want to remove this thing right here. So I'm going to grab this tool called the clone stamp tool. Now, don't confuse it with this other tool right here named the pattern stamp tool. Okay? So what this tool does is that it's like a copy and paste brush. So it allows you to clone or duplicate or copy from a certain area and brush it over that area that you would want to remove or fix. Now, make sure though that when you are using this tool that you set the hardness of your brush to something in between 0 to 10%. You wouldn't want your brush to be, too sharp on the edges when you use any retouching tool. In that way, you'd be able to easily blend the brush when you use it and paint over that object that you would want to cover. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to set, a reference. When you say reference, it's where you're going to be copying from. So if you are going to copy from somewhere in this picture, you would want to copy from somewhere close to the shade of that area that you're trying to cover. So for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy from somewhere here. Let me make my brush smaller by using the left bracket key. There you go. Okay. So I'm going to press and hold the Alt key. Okay. And then I'm going to click this area to set it as my reference. Now, I'm going to brush on this area that I would want to cover. And notice that you're seeing a crosshair on top of that area that we set as our reference. Now that cross is showing you where it is copying from. So you be careful where you drag that cross to, because wherever it goes, whatever it touches, it will copy that area to this area that you are brushing. Now, would it be possible for you to copy from a different location? Let's say I'm going to use this area right here for my reference. Okay, I'm going to press and hold the Alt and then click that area. And then again, brush over this area right here. Well, that's it.